Okay, so since we are done in our mean at saka yung median natin, we will now proceed to our mode. So in computing our mode, this is the formula. X hat is equal to LCB plus D sub 1 divided by the sum of D sub 1 at saka D sub 2 times yung ating I, which is class interval. So whereas or ano yung mga symbol dito sa ating formula. So una-una is yung x hat, that is our mode, and then yung LCB natin, which is lower class boundary of the modal class. Then D sub 1 is yan yung difference between the frequency of the modal class and the frequency above the modal class. Then D sub 2 naman is yan yung ating difference between the frequency of the modal class and the frequency below the modal class. And yung I natin is yan yung ating class interval. So for example, so ito yung ating mga scores class. So, but before that is, kailangan muna natin kukunin kung ano yung ating modal class. Okay, so sa pag-identify ng ating modal class, tingnan natin dito sa ating mga frequency kung alin dito yung ating may highest frequency. So, kung ano yung highest frequency doon, yun ang ating modal class. So, this time, ang highest frequency dito is yung ating 14. Therefore, dito yung ating modal class. So, let us proceed to now to our formula, which is x hat is equal to LCB plus D sub 1 divided by the sum of D sub 1 and D sub 2 times yung I natin. So, kopyahin muna natin yung x hat. Then, ano yung ating lower class boundary? So, ang lower class boundary natin, class, is 44.5 plus yung D sub 1 natin, which is difference ng ating frequency of the modal class at saka frequency above. So, ang frequency ng ating modal class is 14 minus yung frequency na nasa itaas niya, which is 9 divided by yung ating frequency or D sub 1 natin, that is 14 minus 9 plus yung ating D sub 2, which is frequency or difference between the frequency ng ating modal class at saka frequency below the modal class. So, ang ating frequency ng modal class is 14 at saka yung nasa ibaba ng 14, yan yung tinutukoy niya na below, which is 11 times yung ating class interval na 9. So next is, isimplify muna natin itong ating mga numbers na nasa loob ng symbols. Pero kopyahin muna natin yung ating 44.5 or LCB natin. So to simplify, 14 minus 9 is 5 divided by yung ating D sub 1 is also 14 minus divided by yung D sub 1 natin, which is 14 minus 9 is also 5 plus yung D sub 2 natin, and that is 14 minus 11 is 3 times yung ating class interval na 9. So next naman is, kopyahin muna natin itong ating lower class boundary, which is 44.5 plus isimplify natin yung nasa loob o mga numbers na nasa loob ng ating symbols. So that is 5 divided by the sum of 5 and 3 is 8. So times yung ating class interval na 9. Then, kopyahin na naman natin yung ating LCB or lower class boundary na 44.5 plus yung ating, or simplify natin yung nasa, or i-multiply natin yung 5 at saka 9. So that is 5 times 9 is 45 divided by yung 8 natin. Then, isimplify naman natin yung nasa loob ng ating symbols, which is 45 divided by 8 is 5.63 plus yung ating LCB na 44.5. And the total is 50.13. So, yan na ngayon ang ating mode.